We're here to solve this consecutive pair Sudoku by Sam Cappleman-Lynes called Framed. And it looks like it's got a great use of the first and ninth columns and the first and ninth rows, that we've got these three consecutive digit series. And where I see 1, 2, 4, 6, I notice the 3 and 5 are outliers there. The series I can put in is 7, 8, 9. And that 9 over there says 7's to the left, 9's to the right. I can finish this row up with 3 here and that 5, and that same kind of thinking works around the grid. So here, 2, 3, 4 is that series, 3 here, 2 and 4 to finish it, 6 and 7 is the outliers. On the bottom, 7 and 5 look to be the outliers, so here and here. 1, 2, 3 is a series, 2 here, 1 and 3 going, and let's see if we actually complete the whole frame before we do anything else. 8 is an outlier, but then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, so this is a 3 or a 4. If this is a 3, 2 and 4 would go in the cell, but 2 and 4 are above, so that's no good. So this is a 4, and this is 3, 5. It looks like we can't finish the full frame. We can just put a lot of good notes around the frame with a 2 and an 8. So we've got two unknown numbers, but we've got a lot of progress in this puzzle. These two 2s give me a 2 here, and with a 3 already in that box, 3's got to go. Sorry, 1 has to go as the partner to that 2. I see 2 3s in the space, so I'm going to get a 3 down here. This 3 can't come to the cell because the 2 and 4 are already in the box, so actually this 3 has to come below. Also now where this is a 1, 5, 9 cell and 1 isn't here, the 1 can't go there because again the 2 can't go near it, so 1, 1, 2. 2 is the last digit in one of those cells. This is a 5 or a 9. If this is a 5, 4 and 6 are already there, so it doesn't work, so this must be the 9. Puts in an 8, puts in a 5 here. Puts in a 5 here, which puts in over a 6. Finally completes this as a 3, 5. 1 has to be on its own because 2 is in the center. This is 7, 8, 9, so an 8 is in this for sure, but it could be with the 7 or the 8. Don't know more about that yet. We've got a 1 in one of these cells. Not more. I guess I got a 2 in one of those. So we're going to have a 2 working together, and where this is a 2 with its partner of a 6. Let's think about that. If this is a 6, this would need a 5 or 7 here, but that's both in the row and in the column, so 2 is below. 6 is above. We get where this is a 1, 3. Got 8 and 4 to finish these cells. We got a 4 in the space. 9 is coming to the top. 3 is coming over here, so we have a 1 or a 7 in the cell. 1 would put a 2 right below. That's not going to work, so 1, 9, 3, 7. We get that corner quite quickly. 6 to the left puts an 8 in here, puts an 8 here. 9, 7, 9 to quickly finish it. 5, 6, and 7 to go in the space. The 6 is always going to be in the set. The 5 is down below, so it gets put in here. 5, 6, 7. We have 4 and 6 to go in these cells. Those want to get to a 3, 5, or 7. The 5 and 7 are seen by the cell, so 3 is left, puts in 4 and 6 in this order. 6 in the cell, moves 6, puts in this 4. 4 is now forced around, so 7 is last in that row. 3 and 1 to finish this out. 1 and 4. Last 4 here. We have another 9 to place. We have an 8 and 5 in here to go. Got a 5, a 3, a 9. And this is a 2 and an 8, and we're through the puzzle. So good challenge by Sam. It was set up elegantly to get you most of the outside, and by that point it was a lot of just Sudoku steps in the middle and a few points of looking at like these cells where the consecutive strings would play out in different ways. So you saw me going at maximum speed through the puzzle, but hopefully that was useful to get a sense of how to peel away the layers of a grid like this, go at the key constraints, and then work through the next spots that were more constrained, like these corner boxes are actually good boxes to go at. And I was probably a little slow to get to this upper right corner, but could do a lot with it once I got there. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you again soon.